I just want to play guitar. I know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my songs, pay my dues, got the most talking singer-songwriters blues. Now when I first set out to learn guitar, I never did think I'd get too far. Just want to learn to play a few songs and maybe my friends might sing along. Around the campfire, Saturday night, with some cold beer or wine, or whatever. My brother taught me my first chord. I played that thing till my fingers were sore. I played so much that I thought I'd cry. He said it was a D, but he didn't say why. This here's a D. I still don't know why. Just kept playing it over and over. Over and over and over until it showed me a G. Well, pretty soon my collection of chords was 3, and I thought it sounded like a symphony, and I thought maybe I could be the next king until it came time to play and sing. Sing, not so easy, kind of difficult. A little awkward, but I'll get the hang of it eventually. I just want to play guitar. I know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my songs, pay my dues, got the old talk singer-songwriters blues. Well, I set out to learn all the hits by Bob Dylan, Jimmy Buffett, John Denver, Mel Kidd, Neil Young, Supertramp, Johnny Cash, Tom Petty, Leonard Skinner. Well, one day I took out a pen and a pad. I wrote down some of the thoughts I had, moved them around so they all rhymed, made it work. Most of the days that I was trying to rhyme that stuff, not all the time. Could I make it rhyme? That's just fine. It's called art. Well, I pretty soon had my whole stack of songs, and some you could even sing along, clap your hands and tap your feet, but buy my records so I can eat. Ramen noodles, or SpaghettiOs, or a ketchup sandwich. I just want to play guitar. I know I'm never going to be a star. Sing my songs, pay my dues, got the old talk singer-songwriters blues. Well, I thought maybe I could be a local star, so I went down to the local bar, asked the owner if I could play, and he said that'd be okay. But bring a PA. Oh, by the way, can't afford to pay. That'd be great exposure. I had an uncle got arrested for exposure. So I loaded in my cold PA stand. That's just me, not a whole damn band. He said, play way over there. And he said, by the way, did you bring your own chair? See the chairs? Man, they're paying customers. And then he charged me for my beer. But I played the songs, I was proud. Oh, a bartender said it was way too loud. I said, turn it down so the game can be heard. And then some asshole yells out, "Free bird!" Ah! Free bird. That one never gets old. There's your free bird. I just want to play guitar. I know I'm never going to be a star. Sing the songs, pay my dues, got them old talk singer-songwriters blues. Thank you.